I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with what matters. You're logged into Twitter and at the tweet in question. First, tap or click the Replies icon under the tweet to load conversation threads. This forces the client to fetch more replies. Once done, look for the small 3-dot or hidden replies marker. That signals replies filtered by the author or algorithm. Make sure to use the official app or desktop site so options like Show Replies appear. Now you're ready to expand hidden content. Next, reveal the concealed conversation. Tap the explicit action labeled Show Hidden Replies or View Filtered Replies. Twitter sometimes hides them under an ellipsis menu on the thread. If replies still don't appear, open the tweet in the browser and use the keyboard shortcut to refresh or the browser's inspect network to force a reload. Also make sure Conversation View isn't collapsed by a content filter in your settings. These steps dig deeper, because to finish, confirm you can see the previously hidden replies and note patterns. Are they account blocked, algorithm filtered, or author hidden? If replies remain invisible, clear the app cache or reload the page. Sometimes cached UI prevents new reply lists. Make sure to try incognito or another account to rule out account-specific filters. If nothing works, capture screenshots, copy the tweet ID, and contact Twitter support with details. As a troubleshooting tip, testing from a different device often reveals whether the issue is local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.